Hey everyone. Welcome back to LutaMarkets, your home for simple and powerful trading tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a real account on Exness step by step and start trading right away using the XNUS Terminal. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a video. If you haven't registered yet, use the link in the description below to sign up and follow along. Let's dive in. After logging into your Exness account, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. This is where all your active, demo, and archived accounts are listed under the My Accounts section. This page shows any trading accounts you've already created, along with quick access buttons for trading, depositing, or withdrawing funds. To get started with a brand new account, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Open Account. That's what we need to click to begin the process of setting up a new trading account. This is the first step toward going live with your trades, so take a moment to make sure you're in the right place before moving on. Once you're ready, click that Open Account button and we'll move on to the setup screen. After clicking Open Account, you'll be taken to a page where you can choose the type of trading account you want to create. Exness offers three main options here: Standard, Pro, and Raw Spread. Each account type is designed for different kinds of traders, but if you're just starting out or looking for something reliable and cost-effective, the Standard account is your best choice. It's actually the most popular option on the platform, and for good reason. The Standard account has no commission fees, low minimum deposit, just $10, spread starting from 0.2 pips. It's a great starting point whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader who wants to keep costs low. Once you've selected the Standard option, simply click the yellow Continue button to move on to the next step, where you'll customize your new account. First, make sure you are on the Real tab at the top of the screen. This ensures you're creating a real account. You can choose to open either a demo or real account. Both options are available. However, in my case, I'm choosing to open a real account. Next, you'll need to fill in a few important fields. Currency: choose the base currency for your account. Most people go with USD, but you can select whatever suits your needs best. Nickname: give your account a name to easily recognize it later. For example, you can name it LutaMarkets 1. This is especially useful if you plan to open multiple accounts in the future. Max leverage: select the leverage you want. A common choice is 1:2000, which gives you more buying power, but be sure you understand the risks of high leverage. Platform: choose MT5, which is a powerful and widely used trading platform supported by Exness. After that, you'll need to create a trading password. This is different from your Exness login password. It's the password you'll use specifically for logging into the trading platform. When creating your password, make sure it meets the following security requirements. It must be between 8 to 15 characters long. It should include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, and one special character. Once you've filled everything in and your password is accepted, go ahead and click the Create Account button. That's it. Your new real trading account is now ready to go. Once your new account is created, you'll see it listed on your main dashboard under the My Accounts section. This is where all your active accounts are displayed, and from here, you can quickly manage or start trading with any of them. To begin trading with your new account, find it in the list and click the yellow Trade button next to it. This will bring up a menu of platform options you can use. From the options shown, select XNUS Terminal. This is Exness's own web-based trading platform, and one of the easiest ways to get started. The best part? There's no need to download or install anything. The terminal runs right in your browser. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and gives you access to all the tools you need to analyze charts, place trades, and manage your positions in real time. Once you click on XNUS Terminal, it will open in a new tab and connect automatically to the account you just created. You're now ready to trade live on the markets. Now that you're inside the XNUS terminal, here's something really powerful that not many platforms offer for free, the bar replay feature. So, what exactly is bar replay? This tool allows you to go back in time on any chart and replay historical price action candle by candle. You can press play and watch how the market moved, or step through each bar manually, just like you would in a real-time trading scenario. It's incredibly useful for backtesting your strategies. Instead of just looking at past price movements, bar replay lets you experience them as if they're unfolding live. You can test entry and exit points, work on trade timing, and refine your approach, all without risking any money. And the best part? Unlike other platforms that charge extra for this kind of feature or require third-party tools, Exness gives it to you completely free inside the terminal. Think of it as your own built-in trading simulator. You can rewind the markets, test your ideas, learn from your mistakes, and build confidence, all in a realistic trading environment. If you're serious about improving your trading, this tool is a game changer. It helps bridge the gap between theory and real execution, making it easier to grow your skills and become a more confident trader. To try it out, simply navigate to a chart in the terminal and look for the bar replay option. It's usually located near the top of the charting tools. Once you activate it, select the point on the chart you want to start from, and begin your practice session. Take your time exploring it. This is one of the most effective ways to level up your trading. And that's it. You've just learned how to open a real trading account on Exness, set it up step by step, and launch the powerful XNUS Terminal, all in just a few minutes. But more than that, you now know about one of the most underrated features out there, the free bar replay tool. This is a huge opportunity to backtest your strategies, learn from past market movements, and improve your trading, all without paying for expensive tools or subscriptions. If you're serious about leveling up your skills and becoming a smarter, more confident trader, this is the perfect place to start. Now, if you haven't registered on Exness yet, make sure to use the link in the description below. That's the first step before opening your account, and it also helps support the channel so I can keep bringing you more valuable content like this. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to LutaMarkets, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got questions or want me to cover something specific? Drop a comment below, I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy trading and keep learning with LutaMarkets.